Wanted to shoot an overview video. You're looking at a 2001 Ford Super Duty E350 extended body passenger van. It has the 6.8 liter Triton V10 engine. Has about 96,000 miles. We purchased it when it was about 70,000 miles. It lived its first kind of life as a church van in Tennessee. It's in Alabama right now, so it's always been a southern car. The entire body was painted in color-matched Ford Toreador Raptor liner. The rockers and trim were painted in black Raptor liner. The front and rear bumpers were rolled with Rust-Oleum Raptor liner, or bed liner. It has Icon alloy 16-inch wheels, Cooper Discover 285 75 16 tires, which ends up being about 31 or 33s, excuse me. It has a 6-inch Weldtech Baja grocery getter lift on it with custom valve Fox shocks. Has a pop-out window on the passenger side and on the driver's side, like all the vans do, but it also has added pop-out windows in the rear that were equipped on the older vans. It has Bushwhacker fender flares that were also painted black Raptor liner to match. Headlights, front turn signals, tail lights, and third brake light were all replaced and are new. Has a step bumper, has a tow hitch, and the matching wheel and tire spare fit right inside the tow hitch in the factory location. Highlight some of the other details in another video, but just at least wanted to get a video of it from kind of all sides. Excuse the cars driving by, also kind of running out of daylight here.
Check out this vehicle and many more at CuratedOverland.com.